What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today is kind of a big day because Silverback, one of the moderators you may have seen on my videos, and he's also on TK's channel, of course, is flying in. Where's he from? Where?
St. Louis.
He's from St. Louis. Whew. I didn't know it was that far away.
Yeah.
Silverback, I don't know your name yet, but bro, I wouldn't do it, man. You're not going to make it. You're not going to make it. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah, so we're going to go meet him. He's at the airport right now, and we are going to go pick him up in, I'm dramatic effect here, in the Tesla 100D. We're going to go scoop him up, and then we're going to take him down to AAR headquarters, which is where the Malibu is, where it's ready to go for him. And then he is going to drive it all the way back to St. Louis. Now, I know most of you are probably thinking in a GM, you would never think of doing something like that. Not ever would you drive a GM that far, especially an old Malibu. I'm telling you, man, that car is solid. It's reliable. I think the dude's going to make it back just fine. So instead of sitting here talking, let's get to the airport. Let's pick him up properly in a blacked out Tesla 100D. And let's show him to his new car. Introduce you guys to him here in just a moment. All right. I figured we'd do a little bit of video footage of the Tesla getting on the highway here. I mean, who doesn't like seeing a Tesla accelerate, right? And then you got cars like this just sitting up here, stopping so you can't get on. You know, come on, man. These people are killing me. Ready? Watch this. Wow. Like, we're up to highway speed with traffic. Meanwhile, all those dudes are still back there. Like that. Wow. Blown away. Blown away. Let's do the self-driving mode. There we go. And she's driving herself. No hands.
Hey, it's speeding.
And it's speeding by 3 miles an hour. It says max speed is 73. There you go. Gotta love some hands-free Tesla driving, man. Oh, look at that Lincoln.
Continental.
Yeah. Don't hit the Lincoln, Tesla. Well, you make me nervous. Hey, I got no hands, dude. Cool. Now watch this. We'll tell it to change lanes. No hands. Look at this. Look at that. No hands, man. So this is Silverback, everybody.
How's it going?
There he is. He's going to go pick up his car. Let's make sure I got everything situated here. Oh, yeah.
Is that a new one?
Yeah, I just got it a couple days ago. Yep.
Nice.
Now it's redoing my seat for me.
Of course, because you put it in gear.
That screen is awesome.
This car.
Damn.
This car, I'm telling you. All right.
This is beautiful right here.
Yeah, this is, this thing is insane. Like, I love this car. All right, next step is getting down to AAR HQ and hoping that car starts. What do you think?
I think
It's gonna start. It's gonna start. It's gonna start. All right.
Last time you had it out, what? I mean,
It had been sitting there like over a month,
yeah.
not touching it, fired up. So, all right, here we go. All right, so we stopped at the gas station. I figured we'd try to fill this thing up, get a little fuel. I don't know what octane this thing's supposed to take. I guess 87 is good enough. We just put this, and this is the, I think we put it in here, right? Right like that? No, that doesn't fit. Oh, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Hey, I thought it was cute though. Pull up to the gas pump, go to put gas in. Look, watch this. Self-present. Oh, it's not gonna present because I left the keys in the car. There we go. All right. Now that we got us a full tank of gas, we can close that charging port. Where did it go? Close that charging port there. Good. Now we can get back on the road. All right. We have made it. And I'm pretty sure we just broke like a record, made history, because I'm positive that a Tesla has never, ever been on these roads ever before. So, oh yeah, nice. Let me out, let me out, let me out. Oh, let's hop out and Oh, let's go into the house. It's still covered up in paper, which kind of sucks. We got to go inside and get the car keys. Hopefully they're in here because I don't have them. Oh, it feels good in here.
Hey, you know that same
Yeah, keys are here. That's a positive because I was really hoping.
Nice.
Thank you. You want a Coke or water? Or?
I'm good.
I know you want a Coke.
Yes, sir. Caffeine.
Yeah. So here are the keys to your new car.
You got a picture on all the keys?
Yeah, yeah. Let's see what I got for mail here, and then we'll go check out the car. All right, there she is. There he is with his new ride. What do you think?
Thank you guys very much.
Hey, man.
No problem, man.
No, it's probably not going to make it back. And AAA probably won't help you get it there neither.
Oh, man.
No, I think this car is going to make it there just fine.
All the haters are like that.
Yeah.
Get AAA, ain't gonna waste your time.
Yeah, that's what all the haters said, is that it won't make it. I think it's going to be funny to come back when he makes it because he's a mod in there.
Yep.
And
yeah, my Malibu
be like, yeah, it made it back. Well, and it did it on 30.
$3,000 for it.
Yeah.
And you did it on $30 in gas.
Yeah.
Like $30 in gas, and it made it. Yeah, she's ready to go. License plates. And there's the Tesla. God, it's a beautiful car. We should race the Tesla against the Malibu. Let's do it. Just see what happens.
Head start till the still win.
Oh man. Yeah, this is a good car. You should see if it fires up. It hadn't been started in a while.
Let's check it out. First start.
Yeah, because I didn't.
start, okay,
I didn't bring the booster back. So
Can't find the exhaust pipe. Let's go.
yeah,
Cold start.
cold start, guys.
On the Malibu.
Let me get back here by the muffler so y'all can hear.
Don't forget that.
Winning Malibu. That's right.
Number 15.
Here we go. I'm telling you, I know these cars, man. This is a solid one. Very,
yeah.
very. Oh, hear that exhaust? Whoom, whoom. It sounds like my Charger. Sounds like my Camaro.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, the seats are...
All right, so we're about to say goodbye to the Chevy Malibu, ladies and gentlemen. I think the car is going to do just fine getting them back home. Of course, we'll keep you updated. And I'm absolutely sure he's going to keep you updated too on my channel and TK's. It's important, I want to stress and make sure everybody remembers, this car is from TK's Garage on YouTube. Okay, this is not my car. I didn't have anything to do with it other than hanging out with TK and Silverback there and doing the drive. Like this was his gift, his donation, not mine. So I don't want people giving me credit for something that I did not do. But I think the car is going to do just fine. I bet he makes it all the way. Silverback is a moderator on my channel and on TK's Garage. So make sure you follow both of us. And if you want to know if the car makes it or not, I would say check in the next either live stream or the next premiere video. And I have no doubt that Silverback will be on there, and he will be more than happy to let you know whether or not he made it home or not. But truthfully, I have no doubt that this little car is going to make it. Comment below and tell us what you think. Do you think this car is going to make it back to Missouri? I think it's going to have no issues whatsoever. Don't film me, man. I don't want to be on camera. Hey, it was good to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
And I believe that car is going to make it. But if it doesn't, everybody's going to be waiting to hear you.
Very much. I appreciate it, guys.
Everybody's going to be waiting for him to come back in the comment section and say, that SOB.
I'm not like that. I'm not like that. No, I wouldn't do that.
It was good to meet you. It was good to hang out for a little while.
Yeah.
I need to have a fire out here, man.
Burn all this stuff, man.
Man, there's so much wood we could have a fire for days out here. It'd be nice.
That's nice. Look at it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Straight. Look at the side. Straight down. You know.
Yeah, everything's good.
Interior is super clean.
Yeah, it's a good, clean car. Good, clean car.
What should we do for the next giveaway car? BMW?
Next car is going to be McLaren.
McLaren?
McLaren.
I ain't paying for that.
Yeah, he said McLaren.
Yeah, he's a McLaren.
Yeah, don't hold me to that either. Yeah, it'll probably be another Chevy Malibu.
Hey, you know,
Impala?
maybe an Impala?
Yeah.
Maybe a Buick?
Yeah, or maybe a Ford.
Yeah.
No, not a Ford. Not from this generation.
No. It's funny how it's cyclical, right?
Yeah.
GM sucks now and Ford's great.
Yeah,
GM
GM's.
used to be great.
Yeah,
Ford used to suck. Yep.
yeah, we'll figure it out. But it's good to see this one going, and
Oh, we can get Rich Rebuilds to work with us on a Tesla. We'll give away a
a Tesla giveaway.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be the day, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, you never know. All right, well, we're gonna get out of here. At least I'm gonna get out of here.
Yep.
And he's gonna take off in his new car, and wish him luck.
Yeah, we hope you enjoy it, and hopefully it runs great for you.
Thank you guys very much. I appreciate it.
No
Hey,
problem.
thank you, man.
Hi.
Look at this. That's one of the things I think is cool about this little town. Like, dogs just show up at your house, man.
Yeah, I know.
He's a puppy.
Yeah, I know.
You can tell he's a baby.
Look at you.
Or she's a baby, whatever.
Look at
Beautiful
you.
eyes, too.
Look at
You got beautiful eyes. And
Look at you.
chocolate
You a
color.
jumper, huh?
Chocolate color. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You want to play? You want to play? You just wander up to people's houses, run across the highway.
Ooh, that dog needs bath.
Yeah, don't get hit. Look, there he goes. She, that's a she. Boy, my dog would have fun with you. Yep. Bye now. Hi. All right, guys, that is going to be it. He drove off. As you want to show you, the car is gone. It's gone. I recorded him driving off into the sunset, and I'm going to include that clip right now. Unfortunately, my new Rode microphones, at no fault of their own, died. Been out here all day and forgot that I left my mics on, so they are completely dead. So we missed getting the audio of him actually driving off. But he's gone. He's on his way back to Missouri right now. Stay tuned on TK's channel, TK's Garage, my channel as well. I'm sure you're going to see Silverback. He's a moderator in the comment section. You will see him, and he will be sure to let you know on live streams or in the next premieres that he is able to attend, whether he made it home or not. And who knows, maybe he'll even have a video. We'll see how that goes. A big shout out to TK from TK's Garage for making this possible, and to this dog for making my day better. There's something about a chocolate-colored lab. I think you're just a chocolate lab. It's all excited and, yeah, scared of his reflection in a car. You're so cute. Just please don't run across that highway, man. That highway scares me. With that, guys, I am going to get out of here because my GoPro battery is also dead. And I hope you all enjoyed the content. If you did, give the video a big thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a big thumbs down. Don't forget to comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribing. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Auction Rebuilds. Until next time, stay safe out there. I'll catch y'all very soon in the next one. Look at this. That's one of the things I think is cool about this little town. Like, dogs just show up at your house, man. Yeah, I know. He's a puppy.
Yeah, I know.
You can tell he's a baby.
Look at you.
Or she's a baby, whatever. Beautiful eyes, too.
Look at
You got beautiful eyes. And
Look at you.
chocolate
You a
color.
jumper, huh?
Chocolate color. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You want to play? You want to play? You just wander up to people's houses, run across the highway.
Ooh, that dog needs bath.
Yeah, don't get hit. Look, there he goes. She, that's a she. Boy, my dog would have fun with you. Yep. Bye now. Hi.